What characteristics define the very best passive income opportunities and streams?
To me, again, the money. How long has something been around? How much money is it making on a yearly basis? How much of that money is being paid out on a monthly basis? So stuff, the sturdiness of the actual income generated. That's one of the first questions I ask when somebody says, hey, I'm looking for investment money. What is your business and what is it generating on a monthly basis? Why is it generating that on a monthly basis? And why are you not already generating what you need? And when I look at that stuff, it gives me an idea of how to recognize some of the greatest opportunities out there.
Thank you very much for tuning into our expert interview series. If you're interested in passive income investments, contact Joseph and his team through the information which we have on the screen for you. He'll send you out a brochure and the actual contract for you to review. This has been Justin Kunst, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising.